Oh, okay. You want me to help you open it?
Sorry.
Oh, you're going to open up the gift.
Yes, this one.
Oh, wow.
Heavy?
Which one are you going to open?
Ooh, wow,
Oh.
look it.
Oh, boy.
That one's from Paul and Luann.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
A music box.
Yes. Open up your other gifts. Wow. Wow.
Cassidy has her own computer.
Wow. We gotta, Cassie. Okay, we're gonna play with this one, okay? But you need to open up your other ones first, okay?
Oh, yes. A mermaid.
It's a mermaid?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Look that. Look at that, Mom.
Wow.
There's another
Yeah,
one.
open it. Wow, she's beautiful.
Let's see. Oh my goodness. I'm powering down.
Oh my goodness, what is it? What did you get?
What is it, Cass?
Oh, wow. What is it? What is it?
I know.
Show me, what is it?
Look at that, Dad.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Do you like your gift?
Yes.
Say thank you. Thank you, Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
If you can.
Yeah. Oh, boy. Bye.
Cassie, I love you. Or just get comfortable.